Hi everyone, my name is Matthias and in this course you will learn how to create visual notes extremely quick. This means sketch notes. As an engineer, I'm not a drawing artist, but I quickly recognized the advantage of visual representation of situations and facts. I wanted to integrate that into my daily work, and now I am sketching almost daily in my agile team collaboration. The presentation of requirements in meetings, solving problems, or knowledge transfer. In this course, you can already apply sketchnotes in your daily work after the first chapter, because you will see success immediately after the first small exercise. If you need it, expand your skills with a variety of alternatives and special effects afterwards. In this course, you will get your sketchnote skills in 7 simple, quick steps without having to practice for a long time as within other courses. After the practical assessment, you can learn extensions and alternatives and receive information on how to continue. This course is for you if you are a beginner and want to use sketchnotes but do not yet know exactly how to integrate them into your everyday life to achieve quick results. I'm glad you're here because you will be adding a new level to your personal skills. Don't miss this great opportunity, sign up now and start to make amazing sketch notes. Let's go!